Ndị Igbo ekene m unu. Igbo ọma na-ege ntị daalụ nne na ụmụnne m. Ya bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu nnukwu ozi a. Na-asịkwa n'ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, mgbede ọma. Depends na ebe isi wee na-esola anyị n'ụbọchị nke tata bụ ahịa Nkwọ n'ọnụ Igbo, n'afọ Igbo. Tata bụ Nkwọ. Dịka o si dị, ewetara unu ya bụ ozi from Biafran government in exile media team about ife order Maazị Simon Ekpa nyere bụ the Biafran prime minister. So mma like ka onye ọbụla na-esonyere anyị n'Igbo Media ya ga ya bụ ife ọsakwere unu kwana gị na-ewetara ndị update bụ gbasara maka ife na-eme na Old Eastern Region and the Igbo community and n'obodo anyị dị iche iche. Ọ ya bụ nkwa ka anyị kwere unu ya ka anyị wetakwere unu n'iru akwụkwọ dịka ihe ga ya bụ ife gee ya ọfụma and tụsakwa ya bụ ozi. Alright, over to you.
That Oyedu will appear in court, and inshallah, Oyedu will gain his freedom from the Federal High Court, Abuja. But before they let you do some update that the PN gave to us that bringing some of the terrorists armor tank turned to towing trucks, this is a war you can never win. The freedom of Biafra from Nigeria is sacrosanct. We have crossed the bridge. Biafra continue voting. We are already on global stage, and within days from now, the result will be on global stage. So that is strong BPO. Another update again for SC. Why are the terrorists HQ running back and forth? Can you continue moving forward to our Bonigwe while terrorizing innocent people in their homes? We have gathered enough evidence of the genocide against Biafra, and the government of Biafra and the Biafra force are responding accordingly. We will continue to neutralize you. You can never go back alive. You will occupy in Biafraland. You occupy and slaughter Biafrans for ages, but not anymore. So that was from the PM. And if you see this particular announcement, you see on the 26th of February 2024, the entire Biafraland will be locked down in solidarity with Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, and to demand his release unconditionally. This date is on Monday, but the situation at home will be extraordinary. Prime Minister of the Republic is Simon Ekpa. So this was his announcement on the 26th. Everywhere will be duly locked, that no matter what. I mean, I say I see respond to Sahara reporter saying Nigerian police accused IPOBSM of attacking Imo Correctional Center by inspector freeing 7 inmates. According to PNC, continue to do propaganda while the country burned down. The entire slaughterhouse called prison was leveled and many terrorists in uniform decimated and neutralized. All the kidnapped Biafra were freed. Post the picture of the place to your readers in the animal kingdom. So it's ordering the news media to bring the pictures of what really transpire for that particular place. So enjoy this video. I'll move from here.
You might reach 3-year jail term for criticizing the government. Let me tell you, this is what they did. Unfortunately, their own wasn't even criticism. It was propaganda. If it was criticism, we would have seen the civil aspect of it, in what they are trying to say or do. But yes, it was propaganda. So good. No matter how they're going to do it, there's no how, you can change the social media. The social media has come to stay. That it doesn't do. And no matter how they try, Lai Mohammed, you saw what happened during Lai Mohammed as the information minister. You saw what happened during that era of Buhari. They did everything. At the end of the day, social media stand. Let me tell you, social media is providing over 50% of employment around the world. So it will be very difficult for any government to think that direction. So they don't want us to notice what they are doing secretly. Look at the whole presidency, federal government passed a secret memo to a committee. What 1 billion naira just to inaugurate a committee? They spend 1 billion. under this, no, they don't want people to know what their secret dealings. You understand? And that is why this is the right time, you know, for the religious leaders, the pastors in this country, you know, patriotic individuals, the part-autonomists, them, you know, the loyal Muslims, you know, the Garifa Emirs, the foreigners, you know, the top Nigerian musicians, the rejoice. Nigerians are dying. This is not government. This is not leadership. Let them come out, you know, let you resign. Okay, one senator from the Kogi or wherever, he said they should shut down National Assembly. This is too much. Now, we understand the way they shut down the National Assembly, let everybody go and find a solution to what is, since they have failed to restructure Nigeria. And the way it's going, Nigeria is heading towards doom. If, I quote, ABC was they fail to restructure Nigeria. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. When they don't have what to do again now, they want to juggle the dark people like you and I. They don't have anything to do again. They lost this government. The government has lost it. Nigeria is now a place where anything goes. Anything goes. Nothing shocks me in this country anymore. When I go out in the morning, I know that my hand is in my hand is in the hand of God. When I come back outside, I know okay, fine, I've seen my family. But as I'm out today, so I know anything can happen. Because we don't have a government anymore in this country.
Okay, 3 years, you risk 3 years in jail for criticizing the presidency. You may risk 3 years imprisonment.
They should go and build more prisons. They should go and build more prisons. Because we are many. Out of the 220-something million that are Nigerians, 200 million Nigerians are ready to go to prison. We have gotten to that level now. Our back is against the wall. So we can always bounce back.
So why is it Nigerians have not come out to protest?
It's not yet time. Let them try it. Let them pick 1 or 2 persons first. You will see what will happen in this country.
So what's your advice to Nigerians?
Nigerians, if you can talk about it, there's nothing like talk about it. We are now in a situation where anything can happen. Anything to protect anything. When they say rice is 78,000 naira this morning, my salary cannot buy a bag of rice anymore. My salary cannot buy a bag of rice. So what are we talking? I have 3 children at home. 3 children.
How do you take care of them?
And then that should be Yahoo. That be Yahoo. Even if it is I'm not intending to become a Yahoo boy. Is it a Yahoo grandfather now?
The first person to have violated social media regulation in 2011 and so 12, 13 and 15 was Ahmed Tinubu. He said he's going to form parallel government against Jonathan. That was Osibajo. Wait, Ahmed Tinubu aligned together with Wole Soyinka, Odumaki, Femi Falana and the rest of human rights activists in Nigeria to topple Jonathan. He called Jonathan a drunkard. He called Jonathan son of a fisherman. Okay, let me tell you, if I could be brought to court that I was abusing federal government of Nigeria, I will state it clearly in the courtroom that Tinubu should be the first person to be prosecuted. He committed various nefarious activities against government of Jonathan. He talked off. He fought Obasanjo. He talked off. He abused Jonathan and abused him until he abused him out of power and assumed the name generally called Jagaban. See, let me tell you, Jagabanism is called act of radicalism has in abusing government of Jonathan, government of PDP, and nobody punished Tinubu should go and sit down. Okay, as we are talking now, there will be clamped down on many of us, and we are not going to be wary of saying the truth. We should go on and implement the law. 3 years imprisonment. That means over millions of Nigerians will be arrested.
Thank you so much, my brother. We're gonna take it. Okay, they will join you. Yes. Tinubu will rush.
Buhari no wan bring this kind talk. Abacha is my man forevermore. And I will die with him. Yes. Okay, every day. Run, talk. Okay, media, crack. 3 years. Why your meaning what is the meaning of government? To take responsibility of the nation citizen. Okay, now I say J. Tell me now, come and arrest me for Ekpa. Oluwa, I said them as you go. Carry me go. Mafia. Let's come and arrest you. Come and take me home. Because I spoke against the government. The government is inferior. Nigeria government is inferior. You're not afraid. Afraid of what? I'm a son of the living God. I fire me 1 bullet, I die. I go. You kill my body, my spirit go to heaven. I go to the kingdom of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords. I am. You say, are you Jesus Christ of Nazareth? Say, as I said. Yesterday, the language was there. Today, the language. Say, Jesus came. He preached the gospel to Israel. Israel rejected it. Now, the whole world, give it to us. Israel is killing Gaza, killing small today. They are evil. Nigeria, everybody will know, but God is God. Nigeria is suffer. Tinubu Bayana is chief president. I like APC, but fail. Emineko by fire by force. Okay, now see the language now. Somebody say if they pass that bill, that means they arrest all Nigerians. Okay, arrest all of them. Arrest only one first. If you don't see me for your Christian, no, arrest me. I don't want to know. I don't care. The God care over my life. Me the power. It says life for the time of John the Baptist, the kingdom of God, not violence. The violence, take it by force. What is the language? What's the language? The language that the motherfucking way. Nigeria, repair food talk. No food. The fucking real language. The rice is 75,000 one bag. You know, it's a movement. You see, let me tell you, the get one gun shot. I can't go, but I know I'll say the truth. Say the truth to set you free. I'm going to bless your life. Thank you very much, Oliver. 3 years jail term. You are risking 3 years jail term if you criticize the president. Social media regulation. That is a bill that will be proposed soon. That is from Amnesty International. You risk 3 year jail term. Let me use for one. They are serious people. You just not criticize the president. But see, why is the leader? Joe Biden was criticized. Joe Biden and the Americans are telling you how criticizing him. They are not serious. They are not serious. Those proposing that bill are not serious. Because the social media will become a nuisance. It will become a nuisance to people who have failed to do the needful. That is it. If you fail to do the needful, it will become a nuisance. But if you've done what the people want, we will support you.
Daalụ nne na ụmụ ife kunu si wee na-esonyere anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo Media. Ọ bụ na ịmahụ Igbo Media bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ozi, nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasara maka obodo anyị bụ ana Igbo and Maazị Nnamdi Kanu dịka ya bụ ikpe ya si aga n'ụlọ nke ọkaikpe. Unu afụgodo ihe Biafran Prime Minister kwuru. Or say after meeting with Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, we go into the will resolve that the Biafran Republic government in exile will now take full responsibility of the legal team to effect from today, 8 February 2024. Alright, una anụgonu ya. So anyị egosikwu Twitter handle ya kunu fukwu ya. Mana gị mana ya bụ Igbo Media ka isi were wetara n'ozi a. Asọ ya nụrụ sime gịnị ya kọrọ nwanne ya. Ngwa nke mesịa n'ụmụ Igbo.